Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue Review. Today, I'm doing a quick little video. I had a very generous viewer named Gregor sent me some North Carolina fresh, 2 dozen fresh oysters. And so this is the way that I like to do oysters. It's really simple, it's really quick, and I think you're gonna enjoy this. I didn't really film a video. I filmed a couple of like little video clips. This is basically just going to be a photo and a couple of video montage. It should be really quick, but this is how I like to do oysters, and I do them on my Camp Chef FTG600 flat top griddle. But the cool thing with the Camp Chef is that you don't have to use the flat top. You can actually pick it up, set it to the side, and underneath you have a big old propane grill up underneath with the grate. So this is going to be on the Camp Chef FTG600 flat top griddle. You're going to enjoy this, I guarantee you. So anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Enjoy.